Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth lesson of our Enter the Studio project. Now, as I said at the beginning, this is a project which is hopefully preparing you for more interesting stuff using technology here in school. But for now, we're using the technology which is available to you at home. And today we're looking at texture. Now, texture is a really important musical word. Texture is about, for me, it's about the layers of music, which all music has a layer or more than one layer in it, and how they all kind of move together is what makes music really interesting. So today we're going to be creating a really simple musical texture using Songmaker. We're going to go to this website called Songmaker at Chrome Music Lab. And the first thing we're going to do, the first part of that texture is the drum beat. So I'm just going to put really... Now, at the beginning of this, I want you to go to settings, and I want you to make sure that this is 16 bars long, because we want it to be really nice. We want it in a major key, but you can change it to minor or pentatonic. You know what? I'm going to change it to pentatonic. I'm going to 4 beats per bar. Splits into 2. Ooh, we can split into 4. That's even more interesting. Cool. Okay, so we should have more interest here. Okay, so here is how it all... I'm just going to see how that first texture, which is my drum beat, sounds. Hold on a second. So I press play, and here we go. Okay, so there's a kind of house beat that we've got going on there. Now, with musical texture, usually, because we looked at ostinato before, we're basically creating a rhythmic ostinato in the drum beat, but I've done this 1, 2, 3, 4 times now. I'm bored of it now, so I'm going to change that to something else. So I'm going to go boom, ding. Now, if you notice, when the beats go on the 2 and the 4 here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, if you look where my mouse is, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. If we go bass, snare, rest, snare, we get quite a nice syncopated pattern. The word is syncopated. So bass, 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 snare, snare, bass, snare, bass, snare. Let's try that. Boom, boom, ding, 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 cha cha, ding. Yeah, I'm going to do that pattern there now. So it's going to go boom, boom. You have to do this manually. You can't cut and paste, unfortunately. But that's also kind of nice because you get to know what you're doing really well. Chat, chat, boom, chat. Now I'm going to change it a little bit more now. I'm going to change it to chat. Oh, we've got them both together now, see? So at the moment it's monophonic. Now monophonic texture is just one texture at a time, okay? Now it's getting a little bit more interesting here. I want to make sure that it kind of stays consistent. Dung, chat, chat, dung, chat. And then the second one is dung, chat, dung, chat, chat, dung, chat. You can see I'm copying. Dung. Oh yeah, I'm going to put that there as well. Dung, chat. Dung. Dung. And then at the end, I think I'm going to go back to a really simple. Really simple monophonic texture. Monophonic is just one sound at a time. And then to finish. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to explain how we can develop this and add another texture to make it polyphonic.